Well, we got an interesting one here. We're going to turn it on. We're going to listen as a class. Come on. Turn it on. Hopefully, you can hear it.
You can hear it sloshing as you see these spins going too. You can see it's like as it's spinning.
Yeah. Now you want to pull that bottom tube with the honors. But there's some water in there.
This one?
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Nothing.
Anything on that one? What about the other one?
Just a little shot.
Go to gadget fingers.
Go get your Gerber.
That'll work.
It's gonna be a lot of editing for this.
I'm not editing nothing.
Welcome back, guys. It's been 20 minutes. Yeah.
Alright, see what happens here.
Nothing.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's probably literally in the pump.
Nothing in there.
Okay, well, we'll probably continue the video after we pull the pump off and hear the sloshies. Bye now.
Nothing.
Let's try to blow in there. We got we got the manometer tubing we can try to blow in there.
Great.
Nothing there. I'll put it in the motor housing.
Nothing?
Keep pushing till you pass out and see if it works.
Tyler? Tyler?
Sleeping on the job. Alright, so.
Try the small one. And that was just on the ground.
Doesn't have the flow. What? Might not have the flow you need.
Better.
Just for fun, we should check this. Yeah. That's probably just a drain port, but maybe pull that one.
Well, this is the test port.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say, not drain, testo. But because if that thing's overflowing, it's going to make it into the motor.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Right on the connection, too.
Why is that not draining? What's in here? Oh, that looks chunky. This screwdriver? Tap that water. It looks more solid than liquid. Well, we know where to look. I got a little bit of cleaning to do. And some blowing out of hoses and whatnot. Oh, the light for a second. Oh, now. There it was. There's a chunk or a clog in this tube. It's flowing now.
We should blow into this test port.
Yep. I'll use your bulb for that. Blue bulb. Yeah, so this needs to be cleaned out. Collector box down here. And then we're going to check We'll drain into the pump, make sure that's happy. Make sure the pump is functional, which it, the floor was dry, so it should be. But we pulled out the thicker tube here. This one, water came out. It should never be up that high. So when that was not draining properly in here, it built up. Instead of the water getting caught in this and going down, it was going in here. Now the inside of this motor has water in it, which is probably causing our pressure switches to mess up and causing no heat. So we'll keep going. Okay, so I don't know. Watch out, it's going to pour on the meter, because it's probably going to pour out of this if you rotate it. You can pour it down here in the corner here. It's not going to be a lot. Let's bring it. Is it still connected? Oh, wires. Yeah, it's more than I thought. Let's get we should get a cup or something. Alright, it wasn't like a crazy amount of water, but it was enough to make the pump slosh. Just take a peek with a flashlight in that hole in there real quick. Make sure nothing looks too abnormal. Check for debris. Oh, looks pretty shiny. Okay, that's good. So, yeah, now we'll put it all together and make sure this combustion blower is running good, and then we'll keep going from there. Alright, we reassembled Johnny 5. There was water in the inducer motor assembly because it was trapped. There's a block between here and there. Added some hand treat tablets to here and here. Clean this out, made sure everything else is draining good. So fire it up. It should sound normal. Already sounds better. There's probably a few residual drops, but they'll dry out the air coming through. Oh yeah, sounds way better. Watch your light. Alright, so it's happy with the pressure switch. Means the combustion blower is doing its job. Should have fire. Anytime now. Wait for the click. Ta-da! Running pretty good for something that's 14 years old. Okay, well, you won't need a sweater anymore. It's good. Yeah. So it's happy. Should get more life out of this thing. Okay, on to the next one.